Imagine floating in the vastness of space, surrounded by a sea of stars. But what if I told you that space is not just filled with stars and gas, but also with water? Embark on a journey with us as we delve into the vast expanse of space, where stars and gas swirl and dance, yet there is much more than meets the eye. Surprising as it may seem, the vastness of space is not devoid of one of the most essential elements on Earth, water. Tattavit welcomes you to a wonderful voyage into the fascinating world of water in space. Join us as we delve into the different aspects of water and its impact on our understanding of the universe. From oceans on Saturn's moon to water surrounding black holes, we will explore the numerous discoveries related to water that have left scientists in awe. Get ready for a journey filled with exciting facts and insights about the ubiquitous nature of water in the cosmos. Water, the liquid that is a fundamental part of life on Earth, has been discovered on various celestial bodies in our solar system. One of the most significant discoveries was the presence of an ocean on Saturn's moon, Enceladus. This ocean, believed to be in contact with a subsurface ocean, has raised the possibility of finding life outside of Earth. Narrator: water has also been found in the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, two regions of the solar system that are believed to contain icy objects and comets. The Kuiper Belt is a large region in the cold, outer reaches of our solar system beyond the orbit of Neptune. It's sometimes called the third zone of the solar system. Astronomers think there are millions of small, icy objects in this region, including hundreds of thousands that are larger than 60 miles, 100 kilometers wide. Some of the objects, including Pluto, are over 600 miles, 1,000 kilometers wide. In addition to rock and water ice, objects in the Kuiper Belt also contain a variety of other frozen compounds like ammonia and methane. These findings suggest that water is not just present on Earth, but it is also a common component in the universe.
Another exciting discovery was the presence of water in the famous Eye of God nebula, which may indicate that the tears seen in the nebula are actually made up of water. The Helix Nebula, also known as NGC 7293 or Caldwell 63, is a planetary nebula located in the constellation Aquarius. It's one of the most iconic celestial images in astronomy, the eye-like Helix Nebula. Ironically, the incredibly harsh conditions within this dying sun-like star are producing a molecule integral for the formation of water, a process that could be repeated across the cosmos. Planetary nebulas consist of an expanding, glowing shell of ionized gas ejected from old red giant stars late in their lives. The core becomes a hot white dwarf pouring out ultraviolet radiation into its surroundings. This radiation can be so intense that it can actually destroy molecules that have been thrown out by the star, molecules bound up in the rings of material seen at the outer edge of planetary nebulas. But water in space is not limited to our solar system. Water has been found in abundance throughout the universe, with some of the largest reservoirs located around black holes. Has this much water in space ever been found before? It is genuinely difficult to get your head around the sheer scale of objects in space. The concept of 140 trillion Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, etc. oceans floating in space is not easy to comprehend. However, water in space is actually nothing that remarkable. Scientists discovered space water in the Milky Way, albeit in amounts 4,000 times less than that present in the newly discovered cloud around the quasar. However, the majority of ice found in the Milky Way is frozen, meaning that it takes up less space than that found in the quasar. Quasars are one of the most violent phenomena in the universe. The quasar itself is a remarkable phenomenon and one that counts as one of the most powerful things found in our search through the universe. Quasars make our sun look like a dying candle. The one under inspection, known as a PMO 8279 plus 5255, contains a black hole 20 billion times bigger than the Sun, producing as much as 1,000 trillion times more energy. The presence of water in the universe has also been mentioned in various religious texts. In the Bible, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. Genesis chapter 1 verse 2, and in Hinduism, the Rig Veda speaks of darkness that was covered by darkness, with all this being water. These references suggest that water has been considered a significant component of the universe for centuries. In Hinduism also the poetry of creation, Rig Veda, Book 10, Hymn 129 also called Nasadiya Sukta says, "Darkness was hidden by darkness in the beginning, with no distinguishing sign, all this was water. The life force that was covered with emptiness, that one arose through the power of heat. Desire came upon that one in the beginning, that was the first seed of mind." There is yet another story of holy river Ganga is like. Bhagiratha, Anshuman's grandson, undertook severe ascetic practices, and won the favor of Brahma and Shiva. Brahma allowed Ganga to descend on earth, while Shiva broke Ganga's fall in the coils of his hair, so that her force would not shatter the earth. When Ganga descended, Bhagiratha led her to the sea. Does all this mean water didn't come to earth the way we were thinking, or water itself is not created on earth? As our journey comes to an end, we are left with a mind-blowing realization. The water that we thought was limited to our own planet, in reality, exists throughout the vastness of space. In fact, recent discoveries have revealed that water molecules can be found in the clouds of distant galaxies, and even in intergalactic space. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for the existence of extraterrestrial life and the potential for water as a resource for future space exploration. So as we contemplate the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds, let us be reminded that the seemingly impossible can become reality with each new discovery. The universe is full of surprises, and who knows what other secrets it may hold. With the discovery of water in space, the possibilities for further research and exploration are endless. At Tattavit, we are committed to bringing you the latest in cutting-edge scientific discoveries and advancements. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our universe, be sure to stay tuned for more exciting and mind-blowing articles like this one. Until then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest developments in space science. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage into the unknown.